from Sir Kai, to all of your basketball fans out here who are been with you in this journey of yours.
Good morning sa inyo lahat. Kamusta mo kayo lahat? Salamat kayo pag-ibita sa amin sa family ko. Maraming mga kaibigan ko at very welcome. Sobrang nag-enjoy ako kami this past few days dito sa Talino, Boracay. Papasalamat ko sa inyo lahat sa support na niyo palagi sa mga balitang sa akin ng family ko.
So again, thank you very much, Sir Kai. So to begin with, we guess we'll just entertain at least 2 to 3 questions if that's possible. To begin with, I'll just shoot the first question. So, Sir Kai, everyone is looking forward to see you on the NBA. So, of course, what are your preparations and, of course, your tips to our young athletes who, especially in Philippines?
I think malaking bagay is to have a very strong support group and very blessed ako na lagi ko kasama yung father ko dahil ng professional basketball sa Pilipinas kaya lagi ko sa akin. And hindi ko makakalimutan si Coach Mel, ang personal trainer ko na nakakasama. Palakpakan na naman siya! Really work out para hindi tayo sa years ng program.
So at this start, we will entertain a question from our media team. Do we have clear names? Yes, sir. So please first introduce yourself and then shoot your answer.